I'm going to be blunt. If selling feels harder right now, it's probably not the market. It's more likely that the sales methods that work in period 8 don't work in period 9 anymore. And most founders haven't updated their thinking. But why does it feel like you're doing more sales work, but deals take longer to close? And why do buyers seem more cautious even when they clearly have the money? Well, this matters because most sales advice online is still based on period 8 behavior. Founders keep adding scripts, funnels, and urgencies, and somehow trust keep dropping. So if you don't understand how sales have changed in period 9, well, you will keep fixing the wrong things. Does that make sense? So you will understand what exactly changed in buying behavior in period 9 from this video. You will see why persuasion and pressure now backfire, and you will know why founders or what founders must do differently to grow revenue in this cycle. And by the way, if you are selling high value offer and something just feels off lately, stay with me because that will probably explain it. Okay, so let's answer this clearly. What changed about sales in period 9? Well, sales shifted from persuasion to authority. In period 8, sales success came from convincing people. Well, better scripts, better funnels, stronger urgency. But you see in period 9, buyers don't want to be convinced. They want to feel oriented and confident about their decision. So people aren't asking, well, is that attractive? They will ask, wow, if I say yes, will I regret it later? Well, why period 8 sales tactics stop working? Well, it's because buyers are overloaded, informed, and sensitive to manipulation. Pressure now feels unsafe, urgency feels artificial, and scripts feel interchangeable. So you see, the harder you push, the more buyers will pull back. Not because they can't buy, but because they don't trust the frame. So what founders must do in period 9 then? Well, first, founders must replace persuasion with authority. So authority isn't about being louder or more confident. It's about being clear enough that buyers can locate themselves in your thinking. And when authority is present, decisions happen faster with less resistance. Well, secondly, founders must sell the decision, not the outcome. You see, outcome sounds the same everywhere now. So growth, scale, freedom, well, everybody basically promises that. So decisions feel real because they carry responsibility and consequence. Period 9 buyers want stability after saying yes, not excitement during the pitch. And thirdly, founders must be willing to be polarizing. You see, neutral messaging slows decisions. Clear positioning speeds them up. And again, in period 9, clarity beats reach every single time. And if you're a founder, what must you stop doing right now? Well, founders, you must stop relying on pressure, urgency, and scripts. And these tactics work so well in period 8, but now they trigger resistance. They signal insecurity instead of leadership. And you must stop hiding behind the funnels, the ads, and automation. You see, system can amplify clarity, but they can't replace presence. So in high-value sales, buyers want to see the founder, not just the brand. And you must stop selling benefits as differentiation. You see, benefits are assumed. Buyers now look for judgment, perspective, and how you frame reality. And without that, you become interchangeable. So here's the simple truth. Period 8 sales reward the techniques, whereas in period 9, it exposes the truth. Sales now is all about authority, no more persuasion. It's about decision, not promises. And it's also about clarity, not volume. If selling feels harder, it's not because you're bad at sales. Understand that? And it's because the rules of engagement have changed. And by the way, if this put words to something you have been feeling, you know what? That's not random. So follow my channel if you want clarity instead of comfort, as period 9 doesn't reward louder sellers. It rewards founders like you who can stand still while everybody else panics.